Hi there, my name is Derek, and welcome to GamerBody. In this video, I am doing an unboxing of the Crossrope jump rope set. Quick note here, I did get this for Christmas this year, so it is 2019 as making this video, and I asked for the Crossrope for Christmas, and someone got it for me. This is a pricier piece of fitness equipment, but I wanted to check it out, see if I liked it, and see if it would be something that can take over my current jump rope that I'm using in my programming. So going into the unboxing, you will receive, of course, the box with the jump ropes in it. You will also receive two different jump ropes. So again, I asked for the one that comes with a set of both the 1 pound and 2 pound jump rope set. So this one has a gray jump rope that's 1 pound and 9 feet in length. And there's also a black one that is 2 pounds and 9 feet in length. So I went with the 9 feet because I am about 5'11", and according to Amazon.com, that falls just in the range for my height for proper usage. So after that, you will get a thank you card that comes with the product, as well as a sticker that you can put on anything, maybe your car or a laptop, something like that. And then you also get a carrying bag. And the last thing you get in the unboxing is 2 separate handles. Now, what makes these handles a bit different is that they actually clasp onto the ropes themselves. So because you can take them off and switch between the 1 pound and 2 pound jump ropes, you can remove the handles and attach them to other ones, which is kind of convenient and nice, as you don't have to buy separate handles for each. Now, as of shooting this video, the product is $128 online. Now, again, I bought basically two different jump ropes from Crossrope, and they're not that cheap to begin with. So if you want to get this one, again, it would be $128, and that is looking at the prime price on their website. So first impressions, when looking at the product, it is a little interesting that the ropes themselves aren't kind of like a rope material. They feel more plasticky than rope, and they are rather heavy. So again, these are weighted jump ropes, so they definitely feel a lot heavier than a standard jump rope. Now, I had to ask for this for a gift because I don't know if I could pay $128 for this. Maybe if GamerBody took off and got bigger, I could then afford to get it on GamerBody itself. But this is a very, very expensive jump rope set. So make sure that you are very into jump roping before going and buying this product. If you do this not very regularly, I don't think you get enough value out of it for $128. Now, I am going to be doing a full review of this product after using it for about 30 days. So I'm just about done with my 30 days on my other product that cost me $6, and I will put that up pretty soon. But just note that I'm going to be testing this in full for at least 30 days before giving a final review on the product. Amazon is showing it at 4.5 out of 5 stars, so that is really, really good for a product like a jump rope, especially when it is $128. Most people, if they don't think the value's there, they wouldn't rank it so high. So I am getting ready and pretty excited to test this out for 30 days and see how it goes in that test. Alright, and that is it for this unboxing of the Crossrope Jump Rope Get Strong set. If you did like this unboxing, please like and subscribe to GamerBody for more unboxing videos just like this one. Also, please head over to GamerBody.com. There you can check out my current training program I am running, the equipment I am using, which will be updated as I try new things and swap them out, as well as any other resources that can help you develop the body and confidence you are looking for from the comfort of home. And that is it. So again, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Be fit and game on.